Just waiting for Fish to get home. Before he gets home, I'm going to show you how mental Dusty goes. I'm going to compare Dusty's mentalness to Muffin. So this is Muffin. And see how nice and quiet Muffin is? He's a pretty puss. Yes, he's a very pretty puss. Now, I'm going to show you Dusty. Dusty? 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 Hello? Dusty? Dusty? Come here. Come over here with this light and I can see you. Dusty? 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 Dusty puss. Dusty? 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 Hello? 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 Dusty? Hello? Hello?